You want to get paid to make home shine and build a loyal client base that asks you by name. In this video, we're revealing why residential cleaning is the secret weapon of successful cleaning pros and how you can turn spotless service into thriving businesses.
Welcome to Lesson 3.1. In this lesson, we're zooming in on residential cleaning, a unique sector in the cleaning industry that's perfect for those who find joy in making homes sparkle and want to build lasting connections with clients. If you're someone who values a clean, welcoming home environment, then residential cleaning might just be the career niche you're looking for. The residential cleaning difference. Residential cleaning is all about servicing the spaces where people live, from cozy apartments in bustling city centers to sprawling family homes in quiet suburbs. The key difference between residential and commercial cleaning is personalization. Unlike in office or commercial settings where the tasks are typically routine and standardized, residential cleaning requires an individual touch. Every home is unique, and clients have specific preferences, from the way they like their floors mopped to how they want their countertops polished. This level of detail isn't just expected, it's essential. Building trust and attention to detail. In residential cleaning, the space you're working in is not just any building, it's someone's personal environment. You're dealing with a client's sanctuary, filled with their prized belongings, memories, and the objects they care about most. This means two things. Trust is key. Clients are inviting you into their private space, so it's critical to establish a relationship built on trust. Being respectful, reliable, and consistent will go a long way in making clients feel comfortable with you in their home. Attention to detail is a must. Unlike commercial cleaning, where the focus might be on efficiency, residential cleaning clients will notice every corner, every baseboard, and every appliance. A missed spot can stand out, so it's essential to develop an eye for detail. Understanding client needs and expectations. Residential cleaning services come in many shapes and sizes, from regular weekly cleanings to one-time deep cleans, or even specialty services like move-in or move-out cleanings. Let's look at each of these in a bit more depth. Regular maintenance cleaning. This is typically a scheduled service, whether weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, to keep homes consistently clean. Here, the goal is to provide consistent, reliable upkeep that keeps things tidy and fresh, without any drastic transformations each time. Deep cleaning. This is a more intensive service, often booked periodically or as needed. It includes detailed tasks like scrubbing grout, cleaning behind appliances, washing windows, and tackling areas that aren't part of routine maintenance. Deep cleaning can be a great way to showcase your attention to detail and earn client trust. Move-in or move-out cleaning. These services are typically booked before or after someone relocates. Move-out cleanings prepare homes for new occupants, while move-in cleanings make sure a home is fresh and ready for someone new. Both require a high level of thoroughness and often include cleaning every inch of the home, as these clients expect the space to feel new and refreshed. Customization, the key to standing out. The best way to make a positive impact in residential cleaning is by customizing your approach to each client's needs and preferences. This can involve learning their preferences. Some clients will prefer eco-friendly products, while others may have favorite cleaning supplies they want used in specific rooms. Make a note of these preferences to give your service a personalized touch, paying attention to problem areas. Most people have a few problem spots in their home they're particularly sensitive about, like hard-to-clean grout in the bathroom or tricky-to-reach kitchen cabinets. Asking about these areas can demonstrate your commitment to meeting their needs. Setting realistic expectations. Every cleaning service has limitations, and being upfront about what's included in each type of service will help manage expectations and avoid misunderstandings. Benefits of residential cleaning. Flexible scheduling. Residential cleaning can offer more flexibility than commercial cleaning, as many clients prefer daytime or early evening services. Developing client relationships. Since residential cleaning often involves repeat customers, there's more opportunity to build rapport and gain loyal clients who rely on you for their cleaning needs. Room for specialization. Residential cleaning allows you to specialize in particular areas, such as allergy-free cleaning, eco-friendly practices, or even organizing services. Wrapping up Lesson 3.1. Residential cleaning isn't just about cleaning homes, it's about creating a sense of comfort and peace for your clients. By mastering trust, attention to detail, and customizing each service, you're setting yourself apart as a residential cleaning professional who truly cares about the people and spaces they serve. In the next lesson, we'll explore some essential tools and cleaning techniques specific to residential environments, helping you to refine your skills and deliver top-notch service. Let's get ready to make some homes shine.